Good evening. Am I audible? All of you are here. Is it fine now? Is it fine? Clear? Okay. Good. So today we will solve so many MCQ of HTML and JavaScript. Okay, as I have already told, as per the feedback of yesterday I saw a feedback to solve so many HTML and JavaScript MCQ from previous year's question. So I have collected so many MCQ from not only NET, KVS, ISRO, everywhere. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, was unable to attend yesterday class. Okay. Don't be sorry. Why you are sorry? Don't be sorry, but just try to attend. Don't be sorry. Okay, just try to attend. That's enough for me. And please share with all. Class already start. Okay. I forgot to send the link in the Telegram group. So please. Yes, ma'am was unwell. Okay, don't worry. Please share the link. Shanket, please share the link to the group. Okay, I am uploading the slide because today's class is very important. So many MCQs are there. We will solve. Excellent, ma'am. I was absent. I watched recording. Okay, thank you, Sarita. Thank you. Sarita, Kishore is asking for Telegram channel name. Please share the Telegram channel name. Thank you, Survi. So all of you are agree to continue paper 1? All of you are agree? Okay, good. Very good, great. Okay, definitely I will continue. So this is about myself. I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. I have 5 years industry experience and I have done my MCA and BSc honors in computer science. So our strategy is less is more. So not only paper 2, we will complete also paper 1 in the same strategy. So in same strategy, we will cover 300 marks, and our target is within 300 we have to achieve 210. That is our target, right? Our target is we have to achieve 210. So 70% for JRF. JRF definitely will come in 70%, right? Okay, so this is the crash course going on. Ma'am, what was your score? My score was 161.55. My percentile was 99.46. My percentage was 55.33%. 55.33. Okay. Yes. Not good actually. 60. This year JRF was 60%. So I lose that. JRF was 60%. I lose that. Yes. Highest was 60. 60% was on JRF. Chalo, let's start. 60 like that, yeah. So crash course, this is the 5%. So crash course, this is the crash course ongoing. Jyoti today was paper 1 class, he was not there. So weekend course, this is the weekend course, this is the running course, and there is a practice course. So if anyone is new there, please enroll all the 3 courses. All the 3 courses going on for me. So please enroll all. Now, yesterday we have done everything. This question, this all the topic. Is there any doubt for HTML? Ma'am, are you from Shiliguri? No. I am from a village. Actually, I am from a village. It is near about Bangladesh. Just the border of Bangladesh. Bangladesh border. No, Digha, this not Digha. It's hilly. It's hilly, just near about Bangladesh border. Where is my home? My home is, if this is the India map, then there, here like that, right? So here is my home. This is the Bangladesh border. This is the Bangladesh border. So here is my home. This is the West Bengal. Just here, this is my home. Okay. Okay. Chalo. So let's start. It was done yesterday. It was done. It was done. It was done. It was done. Till this question, it was done. Ma'am, fabric mark. Not from Bangladesh. I am from India, but Bangladesh border. It is the border of Bangladesh, not from Bangladesh. Okay. So this is try to solve this question. कपड़ा सस्ता मिलता है वहाँ. हाँ, कपड़ा सस्ता मिलता है. West Bengal, yes. चलो, किशोर को बता दो कि मेरा 5 years का. I have a 5 years girl also. I have a 5 years girl also. Try to solve this. ओके, चलो इसको सॉल्व कर लो. रसगुल्ला बेस्ट है क्या है, बाकी सब गप्पे बाद में होगा. चलो अभी इसको सॉल्व करो. हो गया, बहुत गप्पे हो गए. चलो डोंट चैट. यस, ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस. चलो चलता है, थोड़ा चैटिंग चलते हैं. दैट्स ओके, बट नाउ कंसंट्रेट एवरीवन. ऑप्शन इज दिस A, B, C, D. These are the option. इसका आंसर कैसे करें? आंसर देखो, इसको टेबल बना लो. पहले टेबल इसको ड्रॉ कर लो कैसे टेबल हो रहा है. बाद में देखो, इट इज आस्किंग दैट द नंबर ऑफ रो इन ईच कलम. मतलब कॉलम वाइज कितना रो आ रहे हैं. फर्स्ट कलम में कितना रो है, सेकंड कलम में कितना रो है, थर्ड कलम में कितना रो है, वो देखो. एंड आफ्टर दैट नंबर ऑफ कलम इन ईच रो. सो ईच रो मतलब फर्स्ट रो में कितना कलम है, सेकंड रो में कितना कलम है, थर्ड रो में कितना कलम है, ये देखना है. ठीक है कोमल, समझ गए कैसे करना है? ओके, नाउ डू इट. आई एम स्टार्टिंग द पोल. ओके, आई एम स्टार्टिंग द पोल. कोमल, प्रियंका, प्रिया, संकेत, सुजाता, आनंद कुमार, ज्योति, गुड, जैनब, सुरभि, सुनीता, क्या हुआ? सुरभि सुनीता नहीं है क्या? किशोर एंड प्रियंका शर्मा ऑलरेडी डन। सरिता, सरिता का आंसर नहीं आया। और कौन है? सुमन गोस्वामी, बावा, आंसर नहीं हो रहा है क्या? मैम रॉन्ग। ओके ओके, चलो वी विल डिस्कस। पोल नॉट शोइंग, व्हाई? रिफ्रेश। सुमन, ट्राई टू रिफ्रेश। मे बी रॉन्ग। ओके, सी हियर how the table will be looks. The table will look like this or not? Table, try to tell to the support team. Try to contact with the support team if you are facing any issue for showing the poll or anything. Okay, please try to connect with the support team. Okay, so here table border is 1, so this is the border. After that TR table first row is starting, then row span 2, so this is the row span 2. After that call span 2, so this is the call span 2 CD. So after that next row started this row. This is my first row actually this is my first row, right? This is my first row. After that second row, in the second row it is TDEF, so EF, this is the second row. So here TR row span here. So actually you can do it without drawing also. You can do it. See here, for the first row how many columns are there? 2 columns are there. For the second row how many columns are there? Actually 3 columns, because first that is 1 and here call span 2. That's why it is 3. Here because of call span 2 it is 3. After that here TR is starting, then there TD call span 2. So it is 2. So 2 3 2. Right? 2 3 2. So this is the answer. 2 3 2. Right? And column. How many column per each row? So column count करने के लिए आपको ये draw करना है, क्योंकि column, this is the first column. So first column में कितना row है? 1 2 2 row. This is the second column. Second column कितना row है? 1 2 3 3 row. Third column how many row? 1 2. So 2 3 2. Clear? Clear? Okay. Santosh is telling to update the app. Okay, update कर लो आप, app update कर लो. Maybe for updating there is issue. So solve this. Monali is not there. Yesterday Monali told me to take the question, but today Monali is not there. So if anyone is there, please ping Monali that question is going on. Chalo, now do it. Informed in group, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now do it. Try to solve this. This is option A, B, C, D. Okay, I am starting the poll. Solve. Priya. Priya correct. Priya, Prachi Kishore correct नहीं है क्या? Prachi, Kishore, Santosh, Zainab, and Suman. My daughter pressed. Oh, wow, your daughter very lucky. So she pressed the correct one. So she know the HTML. Very good. So lucky. See here it is added background color all H1 element. Okay, H1 element, which of the following HTML syntax is used? So remember that for anything, see that here I have added a slide for this. Here H1 means H1 is a tag for the heading. Now P is the tag for paragraph, and div is actually the division, right? Division. Monali, yesterday you post that, is you give me the feedback, right? Take the question. Yes, so I am there are so many MCQs are there. Please try to solve. Okay. So if for this area if you want to color the background, then you have to do H1 background color, that is green. Now D, this is background color. Now this P, this is background color. So in this way you have to write the CSS. This is the method of writing CSS. This is the format. So option would be this. This one is the correct answer. Dot is not allowed. Dot when you are using dot means dot CSS कोई भी CSS class name like button. Button is the class name. After that you have to do, but you have to write before the bracket. This is meaning that button is a class, means this is meaning that div class equals to button. Okay, so for each div where the class name is button, for that class the style will be this. Dot means the class name, or there is another way, that is hash btn. If like that, then if the div id, it will check id equals to btn. If for the div id is btn, then for that id it will do the CSS. Okay, or id, maybe id also doing here. Clear? So this is the format of writing the CSS. Okay, yes. Now do this A, B, C, D. Try to solve. Very easy question. I'm starting the poll. What happened here? Is it stuck? Is it stuck? Now it is fine. Is it fine? poll? Yes, I am starting the poll. Saturday, Sunday, it is really getting very much problematic. No, heading tag not 4. NCD, nicely done, okay. Priya, Santosh, Prachi, Sanket, Zainab. Okay, good. See here, that is H1, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. There are 6 tags. Okay, H1 is the highest one, big, then H2 is the small, then this, then this. This is the order. So 6 tags are there. For the heading, there are 6 tags, okay. So this is the 6. Now solve this. Try to solve this. Okay, yesterday maybe by mistake I have told 4. Sorry for that. Maybe by mistake I told 4, but there are 6 tags. This is the correct one. This is the correct one. By mistake maybe I mentioned that H4, but there are 1 to 6. Okay. So do this. Poll is showing. Can you see the poll? Confused. All of you are confused. So many of you confused. Option A. Yes, option A is correct. Option A is correct. Why not? Yes, option D is correct. Option D is correct. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. All options are correct. Okay, we will discuss. That's why I am taking the question so that your all doubt, everything will be clear. That's why I have taken the question. See that. Href, that is anchor tag. This you can do anything. This is a website URL. This is a website URL. So we can link a website URL like this. Href. Okay, we can link it. This is possible. Why the option A is wrong? कोमल आपको क्यों लग रहा था ये wrong है? ये कर सकते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या होगा, इसमें से क्लिक होकर फिर इधर आएगा. ठीक है, नॉट एंड टैग. अच्छा, नॉट एंड टैग, इसमें ऐसा है कि अगर एंड टैग अब नहीं भी लगाए ना तो वो भी करेक्ट होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या बता रहा है कि गिवन अ सेवरल यूजेस ऑफ एंकर टैग. दैट आर द सेवरल यूजेस. मतलब आप अगर एंकर टैग लगाएंगे तो एंकर टैग लगाने से वो एंकरिंग तो होगा. दैट विल लिंक विल बी देयर ऑटोमेटिक. हाँ, क्लिक नहीं होगा बट लिंक. इट इज टेलिंग कि लिंक होगा क्या नहीं, लिंक होगा. सेवरल यूजेज. ओके, इट इज टेलिंग दैट सेवरल यूजेज. सो लिंक यू कैन डू इट. लिंक ऐसे कर सकते हैं. मे बी देयर इज समथिंग मिसिंग. मे बी हो सकता है कि इसमें कुछ मिसिंग है, बट एक्चुअली बाय द रूल्स वाइज इट इज करेक्ट. रूल्स वाइज यू कैन राइट इट. Okay, as per the rules you can write it. Maybe in the question from where I have taken, maybe here there is something missing. That may be possible because I have taken the question from website, so maybe there is something missing. But these rules you can do that. Your point is correct that there is no end tag. That is your point. That is correct. Maybe there is any printing mistake, but it is possible. If you write this, it will not give you any wrong. It will not show you any error. Okay. Yes. Without closing, it will work. Means it will how it will automatically something it is predicted. Sometimes automatically something it is predicted, so it will allow you. It will allow you. It will not show you any error. Okay. Now see that here. Anchor tag this. So this is actually the means it will redirect you to your HTML folder. Means if there is in your same website, means this is your website and you are in the home page. So from home page, if you click this, then it will show to that. It will directly go to that folder. Maybe not always folder or file. You can create the path like that. Maybe there is any path that is your website name. That is website www.test.com. Okay. After that, maybe there is a path like HTML. Then after that, test.html. We can create the path also. Maybe this is a path, so it will redirect it to that page. It will redirect it to that page. This slash means it will come to the root. This slash means it will come to the root folder. Root file means the root URL. Root URL is www.test.com. Maybe think that your site is test.com. So this is your root URL. After that, it will merge it. Clear? Or if it is not there, then it will access the folder. It will access the folder of HTML. Inside that, this HTML. Clear? Now this HTML test.html means in same location. From same location means you are in the folder. From same location, there is another thing that is test.html. It will link that file. It will link that file from the same location. And this hash top means what it is doing. Actually, in our page, if there is any div id equals to top, okay, and this is the ending of div, and here I have written something. So if you do this, in click on this, it will crawl your page to that location. It will crawl your page to that location. Same page will be there. Sometimes go to, like the go to statement, go to that location. So go to means you are searching for this. Sometimes there are index. We are using the index. That this is the page of index. This is the topic. So you are searching from the question 2017. So 2017 net question. Click on 2017 net question. It will crawl you to the page where the ID is 2017. Okay. It will search for 2017. Clear? All the point is clear? So all are correct. I think maybe there is some printing mistake भी हो सकता है, इधर कोई printing mistake है. ठीक है? चलो. Now do this. Try to solve this question. I am starting the poll. Wrong. See that? Why it is? You are all of you are confused with this window dot reload. Actually, what is the tag? What we have to write? We are writing that window dot location dot something, maybe dot reload. Okay, so window dot location. Location should be there. Means location is your current page. Window is your total window. Window dot location means this what page you are want to show. For what page you want to reload. That is the location. Sometimes we are using that window dot location dot href. So if you do that in href means this location will show the href means यहाँ पे आप जो भी link करेंगे that will be redirected like that. That will click window dot location means we are going to that location. So location always you have to specify the location. That's why this location dot reload is the correct answer. Okay. If you write only window dot reload it will not work. You have to write window dot location. Location should be there. Clear? Clear? Is it stuck again? Today some network issue I am feeling. Okay. Now solve this. Solve this. Yes, I am starting the poll. Confused. For each and every question, we will discuss the concept. Don't worry. Today you are confused, but at the time of exam, you will be not confused. Preeti is new to my class. Preeti. Okay, welcome. See that. See all the point we will remember. Every point will be remember. Try to remember the point. These are the important point. See, pop-up message can show using global function. What are the global function? Alert, confirm, and prompt. So there are three functions for the pop-up message. One is alert, one is confirm, another is prompt. Okay. So alert function display the pop-up message with OK button. In the alert means it will show you the alert. It will show you the alert like this box, and here will be a OK button only. Means without clicking the OK button, you can't access. Without click the OK button, you can't access the page. That is the only means it is showing you only alert and you are alert. You read the message and you are alert. So you are okay. There is only OK button. Okay. Confirm means display the pop-up message with the OK and cancel. Means there will be two options. That yes, no means OK, cancel. OK and cancel. There will be two options. If you do that OK, then it will redirect or it will go to the, it will run the program. It will run the action. And if you cancel, then it will cancel the option. When it is doing, if the Windows trying to take your answer that really you want to close. You want to close it like that. Hello sir. Thank you for joining. Now OK and cancel. Right. So OK and cancel means OK. You have to push OK. Then after that it will do the action. Means are you confirmed to do this? Are you confirmed to delete this? That is the OK and cancel. Means if you want to delete something, then it will show you OK and cancel. That is, are you sure that you want to delete this? If you click on OK, then it will be deleted. If you click on cancel, then it will not delete. Clear? So that is the confirm. User takes the confirmation to the process. Okay. Now prompt. There is another that is prompt. Prompt function enable you to text user input with the OK and cancel button. So user input will be there. There will be a input also. Here what will be in the prompt? There will be an input also. After that OK and cancel. Today's session revised me all the basic concept. Thank you so much. Okay. So OK. Thank you Komal. OK and cancel. Clear? So input, there will be another thing that is input. That prompt function enables you to take user input with OK and cancel button. Prompt function return value alert entered by user. Okay, it will return a value which is entered by user and it returns null if user does not provide any input value. It returns null if user does not provide any input value. Clear? Three differences clear? Alert, confirm and pop-up. Okay. So that's why the answer is, now another point, some points are there to JavaScript, that null and undefined are the primitive value of JavaScript. Okay. A null value means absence. Null when that is the value is absent, that is null. And an undefined value means lack of value, means it is not defined. The value is there but it is not defined. Means value is lack of value. Both are not same. Null and undefined both are not same. Okay. Remember that null and undefined both are not same. A null or undefined value evaluates to false condition expression. But if you do that var, maybe you have declared a var a. After that there is no value. So when you are checking, when you check with that if a and if it is null, so if a it will give you false. It will give you the condition false. Clear? Okay. So that's why the answer is confirm. The question was asking which of the following method JavaScript will display the window having box with the specific message along with the OK and cancel button as option. So that is the confirm. Okay. Now try to solve this. Yes, I am starting the poll. This I have already mentioned. Yesterday I have already mentioned this. Yes, yesterday I taught that. So, which of the following is true? Open link in the new browser. I told you when you have to open link in the new browser, then target equals to blank. Target equals to blank. Ma'am, all are some because target can be any. No, all are not same. This is not a keyword. You have to follow the convention and you have to follow the keyword. These keywords are not allowed. For every language, there are some keywords that you have to follow. So this keyword, if you write new, top, self, these keywords are not at all allowed in HTML. HTML can't recognize this. Okay, only blank. You have to follow the convention. You can't write like as you wish. Okay, because this is a language. This is a defined language. So there is also a library. So when there is also some parser, it have to parse it. That blank means it will parse. Okay, blank means I have to open a new tab. But if you write new, top, self, then it will never no meaning because this is not written in the library. The blank tag is written in the library. That this is the attribute. When target equals to blank, then you have to open a new window. It is written, but there is no convention like that. Clear? JRF Sunita, clear? So blank is the only option. For any language, you have to maintain the library function. You have to maintain the keywords. They are predefined. Now try to solve this. Yes, poll started. Baba, Suman, Santosh, Sunita, Prachi, Sarita, Priya. So this Sunita is that Sunita or this is new Sunita? JRF Sunita is new और वो वही सुनीता है. मुझे भी लग रहा है न्यू ही होगा. ओके ओके. तो वो सुनीता कहाँ गया आज? चलो. So it is telling that कि which of the following is correct JavaScript syntax to display hello world? Always Sunita J. हाँ, that is Sunita J. So hello world. Remember that for JavaScript we have to always write document. JavaScript is always writing anything using document. Document.html, document.innerHTML. मैम इस सुरभि स्टेटमेंट बता दीजिए. हाँ सभी स्टेटमेंट बता रही हूँ. So document.html, that is the document.html means you are writing something in the document. Okay, you are writing something in the document. It is telling that correct syntax to JavaScript display means you want to display. Okay, you want to display it, that is the document. And response.write ऐसा कुछ response.write मतलब ऐसा यूज होते हैं कि response ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. System.out.println it is actually the concept of Java. It is there is also not print, there is also println. Println, that is the concept of Java. In the Java we are using like system.out.println. Okay, and println also not the JavaScript. Okay, this is using any other language like Python servlet like that of language. So only for the JavaScript we are writing only document. Always remember that JavaScript is using document. Okay, yes. Response.write servlet. Okay, response.write are using in the servlet. I don't know servlet, so Sailja is telling that servlet. Okay, so this is using for servlet. Okay, so now come to here. Come to this question. This type of question yesterday we have already done. इसमें 100%, हाँ 100% सही होना चाहिए. I need 100% correct answer. क्वेश्चन अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ते हैं आप लोग. प्लीज रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. आंसर गलत नहीं है. V-align. It's asking about affecting. It's V-align attribute में क्या था? It is telling that HTML vertical alignment of the table content. So vertical align तो V-align में ही होते हैं. Vertical align is in V-align. V-align में ही vertical होते हैं. And आप लोग बोल रहे हैं कि middle होगा ना मैम? Middle. That is a query. Top, bottom, medium. That's your correct. But definitely text align तो नहीं होगा. Text align नहीं होगा. Align that is not क्योंकि यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं vertical align. So इसमें भी है vertical align बोलकर कुछ भी नहीं है. Actually from the given option, if you see the given option, this keyword is not there. Text align center never do the vertical alignment, and align never do the vertical alignment. So only this option can be there, that is V align. Now confusion is center. So V align center is not allowed. Actually there is middle. V align middle. So but as per the given option, it is only the preferable option. As per the given option, and it is there is no HTML5. There is only HTML. Only HTML is there. Let me check for the V align. V align middle ही होते हैं ना? V align middle. Yes, V align I think middle ही होता है. Wait, V align. V-align, V-align, yes, V-align middle, and this is center align, but yes, that is confirmed. But there is no preferable option. As per the option, it is only the correct. As per the given option, actually in that question, I am taking the question from a previous year's question. So as per the previous year's question, it is only the correct option. Okay. क्योंकि बाकी सब पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. वर्टिकल अलाइनमेंट नॉट पॉसिबल, टेक्स्ट अलाइनमेंट पॉसिबल. इट इज ओनली द पॉसिबल. कभी-कभी होता है क्वेश्चन, कभी-कभी क्वेश्चन में भी गलती होता है. So now do that. So for this type of question, you have to check the most preferable answer. You have to check the most preferable option. So most preferable option can be this only. Okay. So now do this. Which of the following statement is not correct? I am starting the poll. It is easy. Okay. So everyone done. Ma'am, HTML a markup language. Yes, HTML is a markup language. HTML not a programming language, right? HTML is a programming language. That is wrong. HTML is a markup language, scripting language. Yes. So this is the correct answer. Now do this. ये तो 100% करेक्ट होना चाहिए. Still some wrong answer are coming. Still wrong answer. Easiest question. फिर भी C. Who marks C? Tell me who marks C? Who marks C? किसने मार्क किया बताओ please. It is asking that tag in extension HTML can enclose by any number of JavaScript. So, ma'am, script tag also enclosed into head. We are writing script tag inside the head. That is correct. Inside the head. But when you are writing the script, when you are starting the script, then you have to start the script. Inside the head, you have to start the script. After that, you can write anything. So, as script is already there, so why you are choosing head? If script is not there, then you can go for the head, right? As script is already there, means head के अंदर आपको anytime when you write down a script, then you have to start the script. Without starting script, the body cannot recognize you are writing the JavaScript. Always you have to write. Maybe the head tag is also not there in the body tag also. Sometimes I told yesterday that inside the head tag, general convention is that inside the head tag we are writing the JavaScript. That is okay. But anywhere when you are write the JavaScript, you have to always write the script. Without writing script, it will never recognize that you are writing here a JavaScript. Okay. So script is the mandatory part. Inside head there can be anything. There also title is there. Inside the head there is title also there. There is meta tag, meta description also there. Right. So script should be there. Now solve this. Question is readable. Can you read the question properly? Okay. Yes, Kishore. You can write the script tag in the body also. Sometimes we are writing in body also you can write. But general convention is it is better to write all the script in the head area. That is the general convention. It is the proper method. Read the question, then I will start the poll. Yesterday we did this. Okay. So still I forgot that. Okay. So just mark it. Yes, 100%. Yes. Good. Very good. So this question is a revision for you. Very good. 100%. So frame, attribute, and this is why yesterday we have already done. No need to discuss. Now do this. Try to solve this question. Read the question carefully, then try to solve. Try to apply your knowledge of C. JavaScript is base C. JavaScript का base है C. Try to apply your knowledge of C. You can easily do it using the knowledge of C. For any language, base is always the base is C. Some syntax are changing, nothing else. Yes, I am starting the poll. In our NTA NET exam also, whatever language they are asking, the programming question, actually if you have the logic, if you know the logic of C, you can perform anything. Maybe it is JavaScript, maybe it is Java, maybe it is C++, anything you can solve. Only you have to do the proper logic, proper syntax. Santosh, Priya, Preeti, Krishore, Suman. Very good. What about others? Confused? Try to solve. Don't be confused. Sanket, I can see something that you are not trying. That is not good, Sanket. At least try. You are a good student, but you are not trying. Whenever you are facing a different type of syntax, then you are not trying. It is properly conditional operator, nothing else. Here, see that script. It is their script. Right here, it is writing a script is there. Now it is JavaScript. After that, it is where A equals to 80. Okay, now it is where B, that is where B equals to 80. And after that, it is pass and then it is fail. So it is conditional operator, right? It is ternary operator. You know the ternary operator. This is only the conditional operator. So here we have already declared that there A equals to 80. Right? Now it is telling that equals to 80 is pass and otherwise it is fail. And document write B. So what it will write? The conditional operator is taking 80. Is it 80? Yes, this is 80. This is 80. Right? So it will be pass. It will be pass. Right? Clear? I'm all in one line was confused. That's why I am telling. All in one line, but you can write it in your notebook. You can write it, right, Sanket? Please try to change your mind. Please try to change your mind. I saw that in quiz also, your attitude was that. Here also your attitude is this. Don't do like this attitude. This attitude is not good. Okay, change your attitude. Change it. Try to read the question at least twice, three times, 2 times. All question will be not easy. All question will be not as it is. You have to convert the question as per your preferable scene. As per your preferable picture, you have to convert it. Try to convert the question that for which syntax your eyes are comfortable. Your mind is comfortable. Try to convert it, okay? Yes. Now do this question. Try to solve this question. Yesterday I have already told it. Santosh, Kishore, Monali, JRF, Sunita, Simu, Sarita, Sanket, Sujata, Sapna. Good. Very good. So, what are the meta tag? I told you. I think and answering them. Good. Very good. So, what it is there? That meta tag. I told you yesterday. Meta tag. All the meta tag are using for the search engine. I told that meta title, meta description, meta keyword, everything is using for the search engine, right? So, this is the answer. Okay. Now done. And sorry, Sanket. I am scolding you like a kid. I'm sorry for that. Please don't. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. And this is the crash course, ongoing crash course. You already know tomorrow is the class at 9:30. 9:30 we are doing the DBMS here, right? We are doing the DBMS here, and weekend course will be again next Saturday 4 p.m. again. Okay. Now practice question. We will solve the DBMS practice question from 4 p.m. Maybe class today, tomorrow or day after tomorrow class is there. Kishore AM PM. Kishore all are PM. 9:30 PM all are PM. AM पे कोई class course नहीं है. Today do we have 9:30? No. This is the last class of today. This is the last class. 9:30 there is a quiz. 9:30 in the crash course there is quiz. Try to attend the quiz for networking. Okay. 9:30 quiz. Okay. Good. So I think HTML, JavaScript totally covered. Try to practice all the question, and if you get more question, try to practice the question. And next weekend class, I think computer graphics. I think next weekend class will be computer graphics. Okay. Okay. Bye everyone. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Try to celebrate with your kid. So I am not taking any more class. I have to celebrate with my kid. Bye bye. And try to attend the quiz. Bye.